year student in the Department of Agricultural Economics. In agricultural economics, we believe in calculated agriculture. We believe in efficiency of farm production. Everyone knows this saying, you can't eat your cake and have it. And why is this true? Because there are scarce resources. Scarce resources everywhere. You can never meet all your wants except you make choices. And the choices you make today affects your tomorrow. Now, in agricultural economics, we help agriculture to make the right choices, to improve returns, and to help achieve a whole lot of progress in the agricultural sector. I love agricultural economics because it helps all agricultural students and all people practicing agriculture to produce the best in all they can do. It helps farmers to be more profitable. It helps the country to achieve food security and boost the country's GDP. Agricultural economics is an amazing course and I don't regret studying agricultural economics. Thank you very much.